Namaste. Today I want to share a very deep and beautiful question. How to hear God's voice, or how to listen to your own conscience. Many people think God's voice will come as a sound from outside. But what is reality? God speaks to us from within. That quiet inner voice that tells you what is right and what is wrong. That is your conscience. And that is the voice of God. But why don't we hear it clearly? Why? Because our mind is always busy. Mind is always full of thoughts, fears, desires, and distractions. When the mind is noisy, the inner voice becomes very faint. Srimad Bhagavad Gita teaches us a powerful truth. God resides in the heart of every being, guiding us from within. Bhagavad Gita says that when the mind is calm, pure, and controlled, we can clearly feel that inner guidance. Example, imagine you are about to say something harsh to someone. Inside, a small voice says, "Don't say it. It will hurt them." But sometimes we ignore it and speak anyway. And later, we feel regret. So that first voice was your conscience, God guiding you. Let me give you another example from daily life. You see someone in need of help. Inside, you feel a push. You feel like, go and help. The feeling is not random. It is your inner voice guiding you toward kindness. Okay? So, how to hear this voice more clearly? Spend a few minutes in silence every day. Reduce overthinking and distractions. Practice honesty and self-awareness. Follow what feels right, not just what feels easy. So, message from Srimad Bhagavad Gita: control the mind. Purify your thoughts and listen within, because God is always guiding you from inside. Ask yourself, do I listen to my inner voice, or do I ignore it? So God's voice is not outside. It is within you. The more calm, more pure, and always your mind becomes aware, the more clearly you will hear it. Trust your conscience. Follow the right path, and you will never feel lost in life. Okay, so finally, your inner voice is your greatest guide. Listen to it with all your faith in God and awareness. Thank you. Stay blessed. Stay peaceful. Om Lokaha Samastaha Sukhino Bhavantu. May everyone in this world be peaceful, happy and free. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Thank you. And peace.